Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a black owned brands haul and I'm so excited to show you the pieces. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time now just because I think it's so important to shop black owned, and I just kind of wanted to use my platform to highlight a lot of these amazing brands that are out there that some of you guys may not know about or you may be interested in. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you do enjoy it, please do let me know because I will definitely be up for doing more, because there are so many brands out there and this video is literally like a tiny segment of all the businesses out there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Most of these pieces are fashion because this is a mostly fashion channel, but I have got some beauty and lifestyle bits featured in here because I obviously do love those as well. And I will start off with the brand that I'm actually wearing today, which is REONA. So if you've been on my channel for a while, you already know that I featured them on a couple of videos before. REONA is a sister-owned brand. There's two sisters who own it and they're based in Canada, and they do the most amazing premium basics you would ever find anywhere. I have this bodysuit on which is in this gorgeous chocolate brown colour, which I'm obsessed with at the moment. This colour is flattering on everyone. I love it, and it's in this really thick, nice material. I'm not wearing a bra with it, and it's just like there's no see-throughness, nothing. And then I have this cardigan on. I will show you cutaways of it closer up, but I'm just talking about it while it's on me. It's the Chanel cardigan. Chanel cardigan, which is the most softest cardigan ever. True literally opened the package for me, he put it on and he asked if he could actually keep this. He's like, this is the most comfortable thing ever. He actually wants one, so I may have to be sharing this with my boyfriend. Okay, so this is the brown bodysuit and the cardigan, and I've paired it with the chocolate brown trousers, and this whole look is just a vibe. So all of these pieces are from REONA. This is part of their new collection. They brought out these gorgeous tailored trousers in this colour and also a sand colour, which I am obsessed with. Look at the fit. This is the trousers and the bodysuit on their own. The trousers are beautiful. They also have an elasticated back, so they're super comfortable and they're in this really lovely tailored material. I can't get enough. So along with the brown bodysuit, I had to get this gorgeous cream colour bodysuit. I love it. It's a thong style bodysuit, which is really good, so it's not gonna show through your pants. And you have the poppers, which is also, oh, this is so good. So you can basically make it, if you have a shorter torso, you can put it on this one, and then if you have a longer one, you can put it on here, which is probably me. If you're taller, you can just change it up, which I love. I've never seen that before. I'm wearing this, but I didn't know because I basically just climbed into this because I'm lazy, so this is the first time seeing the poppers. Yeah, so then you have this gorgeous bodysuit, and honestly the material feels so incredible. It's like a double-lined material, so you don't have to worry about wearing bras with these, and you know that these will stand the test of time just because the quality is amazing. And I think this is just a staple basic to wear with your pants, your jeans, underneath your jumpers. Okay, so this is the cream version of the bodysuit, and I just love this colour. It's the most beautiful, gorgeous cream colour. It actually matches really nicely with the cardigan, and again just paired with the REONA tailored trousers, and this look as well is just a whole vibe. Honestly, I love their pieces so much. The quality is so incredible. I also think that this scoop neck detail is really flattering. It's so gorgeous. REONA do really gorgeous, minimal, effortless pieces, and they are just a bit of me because I can go on the website and literally wear everything they have on there because it is just my style and it will just go with everyone's wardrobe because they do the really gorgeous basics. So the next brand I want to talk about is a brand called NWP, which is an independent women's luxury brand, and I picked up the most beautiful yellow dress. Oh my, look how rich that is. I can't deal. So NWP do the most gorgeous satin kind of dresses. They have so many different styles and cuts, so they have something for everyone, and I just think they look so luxurious on. You can feel the quality of the material, it's amazing. The cut of it, chef's kisses. How gorgeous is this dress? I honestly can't get over the colour of it. It's so rich, and this design is so unique. I haven't seen this before. I actually love this colour so much. I saw Kendall Jenner wore a colour that was very similar to this, like to an event, I don't know when. I'll insert the picture here, and it just looks so gorgeous, the colour, and this colour just reminds me of that, but the design of this is just incredible. So you have this ruching detail going here, and then you have these little ties, so you can actually like tighten up the ruching and tie it up into little bows all around the dress. I feel like on camera it's coming up as a brighter yellow, but it's actually a really like deep orange yellow colour. It's got this gorgeous button detailing going down the sides. How beautiful is that? It just looks so gorgeous. It's in this really lovely satin material. I just think this is just like a special occasion dress. I feel like with these brands, if you have a birthday, a special occasion, and you don't want to go for the generic dresses that everyone's wearing, these brands are great for getting that unique piece that you know not everyone on Instagram is going to be wearing, and I just think they're so special. So if you have any special occasions, definitely check out NWP. So the next brand is a brand that you guys probably will be aware of. It's the very famous orange dress. This is by a brand called Loud Brown Studios, and this dress was famously worn by Kylie Jenner. So as soon as I found out that that was the dress Kylie Jenner was wearing, I had to buy it because I knew it would be sold out, and lo and behold, it did sell out so quick. So I'm really happy I got my hand in this piece. It is honestly the most gorgeous, unique piece I've ever seen. I have never seen a dress in this style before, so I, you know, clap my hands to Loud Brown Studios because they have done a great job with this dress. The quality as well is really lovely. It has this netting on the top which is see-through, so you're gonna have to wear nipple stickers or something to cover your boobs up, and it's a one shoulder style with this little strap to give you support. And then you also have ruching on the side, and you can pull it up with this string. I think this dress is the most gorgeous, perfect holiday dress, and I know they also brought this out in the white version. I don't think they're selling this anymore, but do check out their Instagram because they have loads more pieces that they've created, and everything is just so beautiful and unique, so I would definitely check them out. Okay, so this is the Loud Brown Studios dress, and I think you can all see why it was the hype and why it still is the most gorgeous dress ever. It is, let me just say, a little bit risky because obviously this bit is netting, so I'm wearing nipple stickers, but still, like, if it just slips, you're in trouble. But what I would do is get a fashion tape and just stick it on. So the next brand is Miyah London, and I have this gorgeous knit dress. I have been looking for the perfect knit dress ever, and then when this brand contacted me, I was like, oh my god, yes, because the dress is so gorgeous, and she's actually kind of given me a 10% off code for you guys. So use the code Noorie, you can get 10% off everything on the site, and I would definitely check them out because they do some really cute pieces, kind of like everyday basics. So this knit dress is something that I definitely will be wearing a lot during autumn, winter, and I am just in love with the colour. Look at this. This is a Noorie colour, like we all know that. This is honestly the best knit dress I own, and I am not lying. This looks so expensive. It was only £45, and you can get 10% off with code Noorie, so such a good price. I feel like you can even wear this to work just because of how classy and beautiful it looks. You have this ribbon that goes across, and I just tied it up at the back, and then at the back you have this little cutout detail, which I think adds so much. So you have the kind of cross detail here, and these are the sleeves. They're kind of midi sleeves, and I just like to pull them up a little bit. And it has slits on the side, like mini slits, so it's just the most flattering dress ever. Yeah, so they have some really gorgeous knitwear pieces. So they have some cardigans, some knit dresses, pieces that you will have in your wardrobe. You can style up in lots of different ways. So I would definitely check them out, and don't forget that you have the code Noorie for 10% off. Okay, so moving on to beauty and lifestyle, I have a beauty box. I am so excited about this because who doesn't love a beauty box? It's literally like receiving a gift every month. So this is the Amaris Beauty Box. It's a subscription beauty box, and you get 5 to 6 luxury products every 2 months delivered straight to your door, and I think it's just such an amazing idea. And this box is actually the October box, so for Black History Month they did only black owned products, so I think what a perfect box for this video because all of the products in here are also going to be black owned. So let me just open this up. I actually opened it up when I received it because I was way too excited and I had to see what's in it. So it is already open. It comes really nicely packaged, so your items are protected. You've got the bubble wrap and tissue paper, and I'm just gonna get the pieces out one by one. I can't believe that I got this Pat McGrath Labs Blitz Astral Quad in this box because this alone is worth £60, so already the box is worth more than its value that you pay. I love Pat McGrath, like her makeup line is just incredible, such good quality. I'm just gonna open this up. I did open it up beforehand because I can't believe, guys. Okay, it is these gorgeous 4 pigmented colours. Should I swatch them? I'm kind of messy there. Let me swatch, but I need to swatch them because I love them. You can tell this is not a beauty channel because what are these swatches? Okay, this is, I hope you guys can see. Okay, and then the next thing is a candle from the Candle House. So they're handmade soy candles. Let me just tell you, I love candles so much. I have about 50 candles in my room right now. Whenever like someone doesn't know what to get me as a gift, they buy me candles because candles just everything for me. I light them every single night in my bedroom, so I'm really happy to receive this candle. It smells like a day at Kew Gardens, cedarwood, jasmine and cassis. Ooh. Oh, it does. It's very like not floral, but it does smell very fresh. This is really nice, and it comes in this really heavy glass, and this is the inside of it. How nice is that? That actually smells so good. Okay, this is what I'm going to be lighting tonight. And then next we have this nail varnish, which is from a brand called Miyah London, and it is this really lovely pink shade, and that is actually the perfect shade for me because I am always just wearing nudes and pinks. So this looks like a really nice, oh yeah, that looks like a really nice blush pink colour. This is in the shade Blush. I feel like you've got a bit of everything in this box. I've got nail varnish, I've got a candle, I've got eyeshadow, and then the next thing that I have is this K&C Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I've actually never tried these, so I'm really excited to try this out. My lips are actually always dry during winter, so this is perfect. Okay, and then the next thing that I have is this Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. This is the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I think this is the original, the one that first came out, which I already own, but I'm actually running out, so this is the perfect top up. Let me put some on now because I actually want some gloss. Yeah, so if you didn't know, if you've been living under a rock, Fenty Beauty is obviously owned by REONA, so this is another amazing thing to have in the box. Honestly, I am so happy with everything that I've received in this box, and they're all black owned, so this is like the most perfect box for this video. And then finally we have the Ami Whipped Shea and Cocoa Body Butter, which I already own in a big tub and I already have out to feature in this video because this is honestly life-changing. This is a whipped shea and cocoa body butter, so it looks like this inside. So it's kind of like that, and you mix it in and it melts into this beautiful butter. Look, oh my, I love using this after the shower on my legs and my whole body, and it gives you this most incredible glow. So this is the big version of this one, and when I saw this in the box I was like, wow, how perfect, because I actually have finished, look, not finished, but like I've got the tiniest amount left because honestly I can't get enough of this. The label has come off just because I've been using it so much, it's probably just peeled off. So the brand I know do some facial oils as well, and they do some other body butters, so definitely check them out. And then the last thing that I have in this video to show you is this candle. I've just got some eyeshadow in there, by a brand called Ododo, and this is the Egyptian amber candle. And let me tell you, this smells like perfume. I lit this up and my whole room smelled like I'd sprayed perfume, but in a really nice way. This is incredible. I've really kind of burnt, how much is that? About 2/4 half. I've burnt almost half of this candle just because it's one of my favourite candles ever. It's such a good price as well for a big candle. This is £25, which is such a good value because normally candles this big are around £50–60. So this is a lovely candle, and they have other scents. This is the Egyptian amber candle, which I absolutely love, and they also have velvet rose and oud. So definitely check them out. They're called Ododo. I'm obviously going to link everything that I've been speaking about in the description box down below. Any discount codes that I have will be in the description as well. So that is the end of the video, unfortunately. I'm really upset because I've been enjoying all of these brands and showing you guys and just getting really excited again. Do let me know if you did enjoy this video, because I would be happy and I would love to film another one. So if you want this to be kind of like a series, let me know, and also comment down below any black owned brands you think I should know of or any of your favorites, and I'd love to check them out. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.